This project of converting 2D drawing into 3D drawing came from ABC Industries. There were 1500 drawings which were required to be converted from 2D drawing into 3D models. I analyzed the work and came to the conclusion that this is a huge work and may take weeks to complete. I also discovered that ABC Industries have some of the very skilled engineers. They are very proficient in 2D drawing. So instead of doing this work myself, I plan to train the engineers of ABC Industries in 3D modeling in order to enable them to do the conversion work themselves. I plan to have a 4-hour training session followed by a 16-hour work session. These two sessions will enable ABC engineers to do the conversion work of drawing themselves. I made slide presentation for this training session. This training session and the following work session will enable me to achieve following. Goal. The goal of converting 2D drawing of ABC Industries into 3D models. To achieve this goal, I will also be able to complete the following objectives. Make ABC engineers familiar with Fusion 360. Make ABC engineers able to create primary objects with Fusion 360. Objective 3. ABC Industries engineers will be able to duplicate the drawing objects. They will be able to move, scale, and rotate drawing objects. Objective 5. They will be able to group and organize drawing objects. Objective 6. They will be able to save the file. Objective 7. They will be able to create a 3D model of a lamp. Fusion 360 Autodesk is a great software of 3D modeling. It is so easy to handle that even a child can do it. Actually, I drew encouragement from my grandson, who is a student of middle school. He has taken integrated engineering design as an elective subject, and he is practicing Fusion 360. I wonder how time has changed. I learned 2D drawing in my Bachelor of Engineering, and my grandson is doing it in a much better way as 3D models in middle school. This project has given me great insight. I will utilize this experience in my future work. I am a great admirer of novels. I have taken guidance from novels in this project. In the very initial stage, I realized that participants of my training workshop are skilled and capable, and they may perform much of the work themselves. I therefore designed a training session which will take all the advantages of their previous knowledge and experience. Also, I realized that some of the ABC engineers have already the knowledge of 3D models. I therefore included a test out option. This test out option will give an opportunity to ABC engineers to escape from this training session only if they are qualified to pass the test. They may then spend this time in some other productive work and join the work session for drawing conversion work only. Novels will always be my guide in my future adult training work. My course was a little dry and complex. I therefore took guidance from Soiler's cognitive load theory and developed this training in small chunks. My reflection on assessment, technology, and diversity. Assessment. I have prepared this training session in small chunks of 5 to 10 minutes. Each presentation is followed by another 10 to 15 minutes practical work at laptop. This training session is interactive. Practice session will be done in groups. It will have great opportunity of collaboration. And at the end, there is a quiz test link for the assessment of the participants. And there is also a link for the assessment of the instructor, which will be done by the participants. Technology. This course is based on learning of technology, that is 3D modeling, which is in great demand in today's market. Diversity. The course has taken care of diversity in presenting it with all three medias, namely text, visual, and audio. Thank you for listening to my reflections.